In an urban area, what kind of occupations are people primarily engaged in? A. Subsistence farming. B. Food production. C. Agricultural activities. D. Occupations other than food production. The correct answer is D. Occupations other than food production. What did humans collect from trees for food? A. Tubers. B. Fruits. C. Grains. D. Honey. The correct answer is B. Fruits. Which empire is associated with the historical account by Nizamuddin Ahmad? A. Vijayanagar Empire. B. Delhi Sultanate. C. Maratha Empire. D. Mughal Empire. The correct answer is A. Vijayanagar Empire. What was a consequence of the First World War mentioned in the text? A. Inflation. B. Economic stability. C. Deflation. D. Reduced industrial output. The correct answer is A. Inflation. What was Gorbachev's decision regarding the Soviet control on Eastern European countries? A. To loosen Soviet control. B. To annex them directly. C. To tighten control further. D. To maintain the status quo. The correct answer is A. To loosen Soviet control. According to Ramlinga, what happens to the wisdom of those who lack compassion for suffering beings? A. It becomes irrelevant. B. It is clarified. C. It is clouded. D. It expands. The correct answer is C. It is clouded. What loyalty did the early Congress profess regarding Britain? A. Complete independence. B. Flourishing loyalty to Britain. C. Disloyalty. D. Neutrality. The correct answer is B. Flourishing loyalty to Britain. Where were humans depicted living 18,000 years ago in the time machine simulation? A. By riversides. B. In huts. C. In tree houses. D. In caves. The correct answer is D. In caves. When did Annie Besant start the Home Rule League? A. 1916. Born in 1920. Circa 1909. D. 1912. The correct answer is A. 1916. Which location is mentioned as evidence for cave living of Cro-Magnons? A. Peking, China. B. Africa. C. London. D. Lascaux Caves in France. The correct answer is D. Lascaux Caves in France. How many major works are included in the Pathine Milknakku? A. 5. B. 18. C. 7. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 18. In which district of UP was the Deoband school founded? A. Meerut. B. Agra. C. Saharanpur. D. Lucknow. The correct answer is C. Saharanpur. Which region was Bipin Chandrapal from? A. Bengal. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Punjab. The correct answer is A. Bengal. What type of plant was involved in the Chernobyl disaster? A. Hydroelectric. B. Nuclear. C. Chemical. D. Thermal. The correct answer is B. Nuclear. What was the impact of colonization on the Malaya Peninsula, Indonesia, Burma, Indochina, and the Philippines. A. Colonial control and exploitation. B. Economic development and cultural exchange. C. Establishment of independent governments. D. Significant social and political reforms. The correct answer is A. Colonial control and exploitation. Who did the Peshwa support in the conflict between Jaswant Rao Holkar and Daulat Rao Scindia? A. Baji Rao II. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Daulat Rao Scindia. D. Jaswant Rao Holkar. The correct answer is C. Daulat Rao Scindia. In which district is Pulimankombai located? A. Theni district. B. Madurai district. C. Shivganga district. D. Pudukkottai district. The correct answer is A. Theni district. What was Devdana land specifically gifted to? A. Brahmins. B. Temples. C. Schools. D. Jana institutions. The correct answer is B. Temples. In what year did Sidhu and Kanu proclaim their resistance? A. 1905. Born in 1855. Circa 1885. D. 1900. The correct answer is born in 1855. Where were cotton mills primarily opened? A. Bombay and Ahmedabad. B. Delhi and Kolkata. C. Kanpur and Hooghly. D. Chennai and Hyderabad. The correct answer is A. Bombay and Ahmedabad. As a result of new land and sea route discoveries, where did the economic center of Europe shift from? A. Italian city-states. B. France and England. C. Scandinavian countries. D. German states. The correct answer is A. Italian city-states. What was the primary goal of the Swadeshi movement for moderate leaders? A. To promote Indian industries exclusively. B. To start a full-fledged passive resistance. C. To secure an annulment of partition. D. To end unfair tariffs and excise duties. The correct answer is C. To secure an annulment of partition. According to Silpathikaram, who were on their way to Madurai accompanied by Gontyadigal? A. Jina and Kachi. B. Gautama and Siddharth. C. Suddhodna and Maya. D. Kovalan and Kannagi. The correct answer is D. Kovalan and Kannagi. Which region's ruler remained hostile to Harsha? A. Nepal. B. Vallabhi. C. Kashmir. D. Bengal. The correct answer is D. Bengal. Where is the lion capital of Ashoka's pillar, from which the emblem of the Indian Republic was adopted, located? A. Sarnath. B. Sri Lanka. C. Patliputra. D. Egypt. The correct answer is A. Sarnath. What is indicated about the great-grandpa based on the diary? A. He was a sailor. B. He was a merchant. C. He was an artist. D. He was literate. The correct answer is D. He was literate. In what year did the Continental Congress meet? A. 1776. Born in 1774. Circa 1783. D. 1781. The correct answer is born in 1774. What did Birsa Munda claim he had? A. A military strategy. B. Her prophecy. C. A new crop. D. A land deed. The correct answer is B. A prophecy. What was the primary cause of the First Anglo-Maratha War? A. Dispute over succession to the Peshwaship. B. Tipu Sultan's aggression. C. Territorial claims by the British. D. Conflict over trade routes. The correct answer is A. Dispute over succession to the Peshwaship. What does it mean to be marginalized? A. Treated with irritation. B. Treated as significant. C. Treated as insignificant or sidelined. D. Treated as a leader. The correct answer is C. Treated as insignificant or sidelined. How did you score?